Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating payment forms on your WordPress site. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to easily accept payments on your website. Whether you've built an online store or you're running any business that involves transactions, adding a payment form is a crucial step in ensuring smooth and secure payment processing for your customers. Let's dive right in. To get started, log in to your WordPress site. If you're unfamiliar with WordPress, it's a powerful platform that allows you to build and manage websites with ease, and adding features like payment forms is one of the many things it excels at. For this tutorial, I'll be working with a newly created booking website where I want to add a payment form. But don't worry, this process is applicable to any type of website, whether it's an online store, a service-based business, or even a non-profit looking to collect donations. Once you're logged in, go to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. They expand its functionality and allow you to add features without needing to code. In the search bar, type in Payment Form to browse through the available options. You'll see a variety of plugins, including popular ones like Forminator, WPForms, and Square, each offering unique features to suit different needs. For this demonstration, I'll be using Forminator. It's a versatile plugin that not only lets you create payment forms, but also supports contact forms, custom forms, and more. Another great option is WPForms, which is particularly beginner-friendly and trusted by over 200,000 users. You can explore these or other plugins to find the one that best fits your requirements. Once you've decided on a plugin, click the Install Now button and then activate it. After activation, the plugin will integrate with your WordPress dashboard and you'll see it listed in your menu. From here, you can start building your payment form. Navigate to the plugin settings and click on the option to create a new form. You'll likely find a selection of templates to choose from, such as blank, contact us, quote request, and more. For this tutorial, I'll choose the blank template and name it Payment Form Test to keep things straightforward. Now it's time to add fields to your form. Start by including the essential fields, such as the customer's email address, payment method options like Stripe or PayPal, currency selection, name, address, phone number, and a CAPTCHA for added security. These fields are vital for gathering the necessary information to process payments and ensure transactions are safe and legitimate. Each field can be customized to match your specific needs. For instance, you can make the email field mandatory to ensure customers provide accurate contact details. You can also add labels and descriptions to guide users as they fill out the form. For the currency field, you can define minimum and maximum payment values, like $100 to $2,000, to align with your pricing structure. When adding payment methods such as Stripe or PayPal, you'll need to connect your accounts so that funds are transferred directly to you. Once the functional elements are in place, it's time to work on the form's appearance. A well-designed form not only looks professional, but also enhances user experience. You can customize button colors and text, adjust the layout, modify borders and spacing, or even use custom CSS for advanced styling. These tweaks ensure your payment form blends seamlessly with your website's overall design. Preview your form to see how it looks in action. Ensure that all necessary fields are included and that everything, from email and address fields to payment details and the Submit button, functions as intended. This step is critical for catching any issues before making the form live. When you're happy with the final design and functionality, save and publish your form. WordPress makes it easy to embed forms anywhere on your site, whether it's on a dedicated payment page, in a sidebar, or even within a blog post. This ensures your customers can access the payment form effortlessly, leading to a smoother transaction process. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment form on your WordPress website.